How to create and manage a website, a beginner's guide. Are you planning to create a website for your business or personal use? Here are some simple basic steps and tips to help you get started. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Before you start building your website, it's important to choose a niche that has high demand and low competition. This will help you attract more visitors and generate more revenue. Register a domain name. This is the address that people will type in their browser to visit your site, such as www.yourname.com. You can buy a domain name from various providers, such as domain.com, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Hostinger. The cost is usually around $10 per year. Choose a web hosting service. This is where your website files and data will be stored online, so that people can access them anytime. You can find different web hosting plans and providers to see which one suits your needs and budget. Web hosting and registering domain are two different things. So make sure you choose a reliable web hosting service that offers good uptime, fast loading speed, and excellent customer support. Some of the best web hosting services are Hostinger, SiteGround, Bluehost, DreamHost, and A2 Hosting. These services will charge a monthly or annual subscription for tier web hosting services. Step 4. Decide how you want to build your website. You can either use a website builder, a content management system, or hire a professional web developer to create your website. Hiring a professional can be costly, but you can find some alternatives on freelancing websites such as Upwork. A website builder is a good option if you don't have coding skills and want to create a website quickly and easily. A content management system is a good option if you want more control over your website's design and functionality. Step 5. Customize your website. You can add pages, content, features, and functionality to your website using the tools and options provided by your chosen method of building your website. You can also use themes, templates, plugins, or extensions to enhance the appearance and performance of your website. Step 6. Create high-quality content. Your website's content is the most important factor in attracting and retaining visitors. Make sure your content is informative, engaging, and relevant to your niche. You can use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway to improve your writing skills. Step 6. Optimize your website for search engines. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of improving your website's visibility on search engines like Google. This can help you attract more organic traffic and generate more revenue. You can use tools like Yoast SEO or SEMrush to optimize your website for search engines or free Bing AI. Step 7. Monetize your website. There are many ways to monetize your website, such as affiliate marketing, advertising, sponsored content, or selling digital products. You can use tools like Google AdSense, Amazon Associates, or ClickBank to monetize your website. Step 8. Promote your website. You need to create and share valuable and attractive content that drives traffic and conversions to your website. You can use social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram to engage with your audience and promote your website. Step 9. Track your website's performance. Monitoring your website's traffic, engagement, and revenue can help you identify areas for improvement and optimize your website for better results. You can use tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar, or Crazy Egg to track your website's performance. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. I will exclude setting up business email from steps to build website to keep things simple and beginner friendly. Please let me know in comment section if you would like a video about how to set up an business email. Here's a summary of the basic steps to build a website with relevant examples we discussed so far. 1. Choose a profitable niche. 2. Register a domain name by using services such as Google Domains, Domain.com, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Hostinger. 3. Choose a web hosting service by using services such as Hostinger, SiteGround, Bluehost, DreamHost, and A2 Hosting. 4. Decide how you want to build your website by using services such as website builders, content management systems, or web developers to build your website. 5. Customize your website. 6. Create high-quality content by using services such as Grammarly, Hemingway, and Bing AI. 7. Optimize your website for search engines by using services such as Yoast SEO and SEMrush. 8. Monetize your website by using services such as Google AdSense, Amazon Associates, or ClickBank. 9. Promote your website by using platforms like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or Instagram. 10. Track your website's performance by using tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar, or Crazy Egg. Remember, building a website is a process that requires patience, dedication, and hard work. But with the right tools and strategies, you can create a website that is successful and profitable. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to ask me. Good luck with your website. Thanks for watching.